To the graduating class of 2025, congratulations. This is your moment, a moment to celebrate everything that you've worked so hard for. A moment to stand tall in the knowledge that you've made it. And not just through an educational experience, but through one shaped by a rapidly changing world, new challenges, and new demands. You didn't just survive, you thrived. You adapted. You showed resilience. You made it through late nights, early mornings, canceled plans, hard tests, harder losses, and a kind of pressure that would make some people quit. But not you. You kept showing up. You kept pushing forward. I've worn many uniforms in my life. I've stood in rooms where some heavy decisions were made. I faced pressure that tested everything that I knew, made mistakes, and I've even learned the hard way. But through it all, what carried me and what would carry you is this: purpose, perseverance, and service. Real power, real greatness comes when you turn around and help someone up the ladder too. When you lift as you climb, when you give instead of take, when you remember that no matter how high you rise, your greatness is measured by how well you treat those who have less. Whether it's helping your neighbor, mentoring a young student, or just choosing kindness when not required, when you serve, you lead. When you lead with love, you start to change the world. Graduates, I want you to walk in this world not with fear, but with fire. Because the world doesn't need just more smart people. It needs good people. People with integrity. People with a backbone. People who will do the right thing even when no one else is watching. Class of 2025, go do the work. We believe in you. We're proud of you. And we can't wait to see what happens next in your life. Thank you so much.